Yeah.
He just tried to rob my store.
Okay, the police is here. The police
Yeah, trying to slip out of his clothes.
No,
Got it? Can I let go, sir? Thank you so much, officer. Thank you so much.
Get your hand behind your back. Put the other hand behind your back. Give me your other hand.
They're right here.
I know. I didn't shoot back.
Hey, prison said you drunk as shit.
36.
I'm good.
You good?
I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
Get up.
You did it first.
Get up.
No, I'm next door. I'm the dispensary.
Yeah, hold your shit down. Here you go, bro.
Yeah, spread the word. You get ass beat you robbed my store, pussy.
What happened? Is it your store?
Right here with the green marks.
Okay. Here, just go in there. I'll come talk. Just relax. I'll come in there.
Don't rob downtown Sarasota.
Good job.
I didn't do anything.
We'll figure that out, man. Everybody else can slow down.
That's his power.
Yeah.
They put him down.
Yeah. Oh my God. We don't open and keep the door.
What am I doing?
Have a seat.
What have I done?
Have a seat.
Are you sergeant?
Have a seat. No.
Why not?
Have a
What am I
seat.
doing?
45, I'm also holding one at 1345.
And I said,
Hey, I'm
"Back
sorry.
up."
What happened? Here, we can go sit.
Yeah.
Sit.
I'll tell you exactly what happened.
Alrighty.
And I'll try and make it short because I'm out of breath.
Have a seat. Relax. We got all the time. No, no.
I appreciate you.
I don't need anybody else. Are you good? Yeah.
Pardon the odor, by the way. The gentleman came in asking for some free samples.
Okay.
I told him no. Usually what we get for a free sample is one of these.
Do you need an ambulance, by the way?
No, I'm fine. As long as he doesn't have some crazy bum disease in his because that's his tooth that cut me. But, huh? No, I punched him right square in his pardon my language.
Oh, no. So, what happened from the beginning?
Yeah, so from the very beginning, I'm standing behind my counter. Gentleman walks in clearly intoxicated. He's asking for a free sample.
Okay.
He's asking for a free joint here out of this case, these pre-rolled Delta 8 joints. He wanted one of those. I said, sorry sir, no can do. What I can do is give you this gummy.
Okay.
While I'm going to unscrew it, I noticed he put one under his arm.
Okay.
Now there's two elements to the encounter here. As I saw him put one under his arm, I walked over to him, pulled it out from under his arm, guided him to the door, and said, "Get." I pushed him out.
Okay.
This is all on camera, by the way.
That's fine.
So he was gone. How long was he gone?
He was gone for maybe 2-3 minutes.
So I thought that was the end of it. I pushed him out the door, thought it was over. Are you guys getting the call or something?
We're trying to make sure that they called in another robbery and make sure it's the same one.
Okay, yes. He
I
entered
think
our
it's the
store
same
twice.
one. He came in twice.
He entered our store twice, yeah. Okay. The first time he came in, he attempted to shoplift. I caught him and kicked him out.
Okay.
The second time he came in, grabbed as much shit as he could, and just made a bolt for the door. He grabbed what they're restocking here. These are just beverage powders. He probably thought they were joints or something.
Did you make it out the door with all these?
He made it about one step out the door before I caught him by his hood and put him on the ground.
Can one of you add all these up? How much that is?
Yes, we can. Retail value on it all?
On
Yeah.
all of it. But we're going to continue.
Well, that's more or less the end. So I see him. So he comes in the second time. I'll wait for you. So the second time he came in, he didn't say a word. He made a beeline for the counter, grabbed that tray, and starts running for the door.
Okay.
I caught up to him right as he crossed the threshold to the door. I caught him by the back of whatever he was wearing, and I pulled him on the ground.
Okay.
He's surprisingly strong, and I'm surprisingly out of shape.
Okay.
So I had to wrestle with him a little bit. I put him in a chokehold, almost headed out. He's just real squirmy. He started slipping out of his sweatshirt. I eventually threw him flat on his back, and that's when I hit him square in the face.
And this was outside? Was he hitting
This was
you?
all outside. Yeah, he had his hands on my neck. He was trying to fight me off. I have a knife on me. I didn't even reach for it.
Can you get his info? I just need the total of it.
Did I do anything wrong? Am I in any trouble here? Okay.
Watch out, Joe.
All right, before I talk to you, I'm going to read you your rights, okay? You understand that?
What's happening?
Okay.
I haven't done anything wrong.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her present with you before and during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost to you before and during questioning if you wish.
What's the
You
question?
can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights?
Yes.
Do you wish to speak with us?
No.
Okay, copy that. Turn your feet up. If you change your mind, let me know.
I slammed him on the ground.
You good?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
All right. So, do we have
Yeah.
41 right now?
Yeah, it's going to be theft.
Okay.
They're adding up the total. And then resisting the merchant.
So, what was he doing?
So you came in the first
To the
time.
weed store?
Yeah.
Okay.
Came in the first time, tried to steal something. He got it back from him. He left. Comes back a few minutes later, grabs this whole container of things, goes out, steps out the door. The guy grabs him. Everything falls, and they start fighting.
Okay.
He starts hitting him. He's bleeding and everything else.
Okay. I read him. He invoked. But he wants to know what he's being charged with. I told him he invoked, so we're not going to talk, but I figured, what's the best out there? God, no.
Do you have use of force on?
I don't think so. I'm just going to run it by like that. Oh, yeah, all I did was grab him and put him down on the ground. But I called him just to make sure. He couldn't see me.
So you run from the back?
No, he had the thing was over his face.
So I'm going to run him and see if that comes back as anything.
That's
And of course, these 14s are awesome. My camera never clicked on when I started running code here, so when I put them in the car, I was like, oh, well, here we go.
They're hit or miss.
Yeah. I'm going to just run him and see if anything comes back.
So I spoke one witness. They want to, it's a whole family, they want to remain anonymous or whatnot. They saw the guy going inside the store, and 5 seconds later, the door swung open, and the guy came out with all the stuff, and then the employee grabbed him by the neck and put him in the ground.
what the employee said.
Yeah, everybody said the same thing. You said you guys
Is that
wanted to talk to
is that a 41 or just a
No,
theft?
it's going to be
Theft, huh?
theft,
Retail?
retail theft, resisting a merchant.
Did he resist you? Did you say police officer?
He couldn't see me. So I took him from the merchant and went, poof, and we went to the ground. I need the video from them and the total price.
Walking on.
you. Anything else? Roll bounce out here.
Okay, appreciate it.
Are you hot? I didn't do anything. You did great.
I appreciate you coming.
Anything for you, bud.
Hey, are you hurt?
No, sir.
Huh?
Why am I under arrest?
Are you hurt?
Am I detained?
Obviously.
Am I'm under arrest?
Yeah. I'm not talking to you.
For what?
I'm not
For what?
talking to you. You invoked your rights. But I'm
No,
just
I
asking
didn't.
if you're
No, I
hurt.
did not.
That's what he said.
Hurry up. Shut this motherfucker, bitch. On my goddamn face.
Wow.
Hurry up. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay.
Well, hurry up. Shut this motherfucker.
why you're going to
fat ass bitch. Shut this motherfucker.
I'm the one who slammed you
Bitch. Shut up.
on.
No, you didn't. For what? Shut this
For
bitch.
theft.
Shut it. For what?
I don't know.
What did I steal?
They took it back
Nothing.
from you.
No bullshit.
Okay, it's all on camera.
Bullshit.
all on
Man,
camera.
shut this motherfucker. Damn, bitch.
Bye-bye.
Archie. Push. I know. Be right around here.
All right. You got their paperwork and everything?
Yep.
Bye, guys.
Thank you guys for showing up so quick.
Oh, yeah.
Seriously, thank you guys.
No problem. That's why we're here.
You guys have a great night.
You do.
24441.
What? Well, you threatened me out there, so we'll see about that. Not my choice, that was yours. Well, if you've got more battery convictions or more theft convictions, then those charges upgrade to felony automatically, so it's not. That's how the law works.
This is 247.